Computer-aided designs are a great way to visualize something before you can turn it into reality. There isn't a place where they come in more handy than when doing 3D designs from scratch or editing what you already have. BricsCAD is an all-in-one computer-aided design software that combines 3D modeling and 2D CAD for DWG format. It's a popular platform that provides all .dwg 2D CAD features while bringing the convenience of the powerful 3D modeling and time-saving tools. The program is expertly crafted with engineers in mind to support efficient execution of all projects. BricsCAD Pros. 1. Simple and customizable user interface. BricsCAD comes with a modern-looking user interface, and looks really clean and uncluttered. The user interface is well arranged, providing quick access to all the available features at a click of the button. The interface, context menus, ribbons, workspace arrangements make both very customizable. 2 predefined tool palettes, industry-standard commands, and visual menus make the workspace manageable and navigable. 3 compatibility and integration. The drafting tool is definitely most popular one. Fast, reliable and precise. In the architectural work it's great for making quick underlays for further 3D processing in BIM software. The 3D modeling is quite complex with all the coordinate system set up, but BricsCAD is very good at creating models from technical documentation. 4. Lower price and great support. Low price and low training cost. The price for BricsCAD Platinum is $1,020 as a perpetual license. $1,220 with subscriptions. The video tutorials, ebook, and other resources that provide support for this software are comprehensive and first-rate. 5. Perfect performance. BricsCAD performance is good. I can open a complex drawing pretty smoothly. It's reasonably faster than AutoCAD 2017. I can see it's not responding for a few seconds in several drawings, but it's acceptable. BricsCAD didn't crash. 6. Availability. BricsCAD is available for Windows and Linux. 7. Sufficient prototyping tools. The drawing tools, texturing, and coloring features are more than enough for basic to mid-range projects. The upper toolbar gives you access to lines and geometric shapes that are the basis of most designs. This couples with a wide range of regional editing, viewpoint and 3D effect editing features that gave me mostly all I needed to finish up my test office table design. 8. Rich of features and tools. BricsCAD offers a set of work tools that guarantee a professional quality work, allows users to design series of details in the plans and objects necessary for the execution of work. 9. Flexible and intuitive. You can sit with a book and teach yourself enough of the capabilities of this product to get a job. It is intuitive and flexible. You can customize the product to meet your specific needs. It can do just about anything you need it to. There are capabilities that advanced users can access that don't get in the way of other users. A relatively straight learning curve. I am new to 3D prototyping and it didn't get me long before I had mastered most of the basic controls. This is thanks to the simplistic approach to controls and the comprehensive offline help file that will guide you through the steps. You might need minutes to acclimate yourself to BricsCAD, but the learning process is quicker and more appropriate for prototypes. And more features. I suggest you to discover it. BricsCAD cons. Some features available in other CAD programs are missing and can be regularly missed by users that have experience with both. That there isn't a free viewing version that you can provide to recipients, like Adobe Reader, so if your recipient doesn't have a CAD program you have to supply in PDF form where a lot of the information can be lost, and also the third-party applications are limited. But globally it's great compared to others CAD softwares. BricsCAD features: 1. 3D modeling, 2. Intelligent quad cursor, 3. Settings manager, 4. Drawing explorer, 5. Dockable panel, 6. Layers and content browser, 7. Web map services, 8. Dynamic arrays, 9. Annotative scales, 10. Dynamic dimensions. And more features you need to discover it by yourself. BricsCAD pricing plans. BricsCAD's enterprise pricing model has 3 editions with the following inclusions. First, BricsCAD Classic with price of $590. Contains all familiar CAD functionalities, full support, 24/7 cloud connectivity, flexible licensing. Second is BricsCAD Pro with price of $750. Contains everything in Classic, direct 3D modeling, rendering, materials, and lighting, access to third-party applications. And third one is BricsCAD Platinum with price of $1,110. Contains everything in Pro, 3D constraint creation, assembly modeling, deformable modeling, 3D compares. Supported devices: 1. Windows, 2. Linux, 3. Mac. Conclusion: BricsCAD is a great CAD tool that will handle most of the small, medium to large designs and give you an idea of what you are going to build. You might have trouble when presenting concepts to management or when sharing with other designers who use different prototyping tools. This application is definitely worth trying out.